Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Q8 Max Roborock from Roborock and the Dreambot L10s Pro from Dreame and the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 Plus. So if you don't know what these three are, the Roborock Q8 Max is a 55,000 PA suction dual brush LiDAR plus optical avoidance and has a large bin of 770 ml bin. The Dreambot L10s Pro, on the other hand, is a flagship robot with strong suction, mop lift, 3D mapping, and smart app control. And lastly, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 Plus is a 6000 PA suction, dual spinning mops, carpet detection, LiDAR, and 170-minute runtime. So let's go over the pros and cons of each. So the pros of the Q8 Max is that it is great for suction and mapping, obstacle avoidance, and a lot more. Now the cons of it is that it has no auto empty and it is bulky. And the Dreambot, on the other hand, the pros of it is that it has it has mop lift and smart mapping, and it has value for features. Now the cons of it is that it has the smallest bin out of all three, and the app is very inconsistent. And lastly, the pros of the S20 Plus is that it has the strongest suction out of all three, and has dual mops plus carpet detection. Now the cons of it is that it has no obstacle avoidance, and it also has no auto empty. So which one is right for you? So you should choose the Q8 Max for the best smart navigation plus cleaning combo, and choose the Dreame Pro for a great all-arounder for the price, and choose the S20 Plus for the best suction and mopping power. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.